Pete'sTools.com.
G'day guys, Pete here. How are we all going today? I'm doing good on my side of the world. Hope you guys are all keeping out of trouble, and if you can't keep out of trouble, just don't get caught, guys. Hey, anyway, I went out to the workshop this morning to do a bit of welding, and I couldn't find my bloody welding spray, to stop the friggin' splatter. So I thought, well, why don't I use what I used years ago? The missus had gone out, you see, so I just shot into a pantry and grabbed this, and I thought I'll use this like I used to years ago, before I could afford welding spray. And then I'd used this for a while, and I thought to myself, what the hell am I even buying welding spray? Anyway, guys, this is what this video is about. Is this as good as this? Same as usual, guys. Like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. Actually, drop a comment in the comments below and tell me what you use. Anyway, guys, let's get into it, eh? Yee! So, guys, I ended up going down the welding shop, and I brought this can here of spray, anti-splatter spray, as they call it. Looking on the back of it here, it's got a couple of caution labels, as you can see. He wouldn't recommend that you eat it, and it looks like here that it's not very good for your breathing, because it's got a sort of a star thing here on your chest. And what's the active ingredient on this? Now, the active ingredient in this, guys, is dichloromethane. Now, I'm no bloody chemist, but that sounds pretty sort of ugly to me. You wouldn't want to be going eating this shit. And what do we got here? This is just canola cooking spray, guys. It's a couple of bucks. You can buy it a couple of bucks anywhere. And the active ingredient in this is just canola oil. And it's designed for cooking so you can actually eat this shit. Like I say, this is a couple of bucks. This in New Zealand cost me $24.95. So I'm going to do a test, guys, and see if one's better than the other. I know which one I'd much rather eat, and it certainly isn't this one. So, guys, let's first run a bead without any spray whatsoever. We'll see how that goes. Right here, guys, no spray at all. How'd we go? Let me use my high-tech hammer. It's raining outside, guys. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Persisting down. Right, let's just clean this up a bit and I'll show you. Alright, so we've got a bit of splatter there, guys. Nothing too horrendous, but we've just got a bit of splatter there. Probably 1, 2, 3, maybe 10 blobs of splatter, and it's coming around this way a little bit. I don't know if you can see that or not. See what I mean, guys? So now we'll try the professional anti-splatter spray. Rightio, guys, now we'll try the dichloromethane. That's a big word, isn't it? Don't ask me to spell it, and I actually had to go and look on Google how to pronounce it. But don't tell anyone, eh? And dichloromethane doesn't sound that good for your health. But what do I know? Definitely puts the sheen on your steel, guys. Rightio, give us a crack, Nigel. How'd we go with that, guys? Yowzy, you're a noisy shit, Pete. You hear the rain out there, guys? It's persisting down. See that, guys? See that, guys? This here is where we had no spray at all. This is where we've got the professional spray here. We've got 1, 2, 3 blobs of sort of overspray here, but there's a lot more on this side. So the spray definitely does work, guys. So now we'll try the canola oil. So now we'll just try the canola oil, guys. The cheap canola oil. Pete likes cheap. If you haven't noticed by now. Put a canola oil on there. Radio, canola oil. There we go, guys. Yeehaw! You know what? There's a lot of smoke coming off that, and it smells like fried food. It smells like KFC or something like that, you know, or McDonald's. Yum! A lot better than the smell of this stuff anyway. Make me hungry now. I might go and buy some lunch. Right, what do we end up with, guys? Right, so there's no spray at all, which is around here. You can see all the spatter. There's our toxic spray. Well, I don't know if it's toxic or not, but that chemical name doesn't sound too good to me. Around here, and it's still got like about half as much as this. This is our canola oil. See our canola oil here, guys? It's got 1, 2, 3, maybe half a dozen bits of splatter. So all in all, I think I'm going to go for the cheap one, even though it does smoke a lot. Difference is you can eat the stuff, whereas you can't eat the other stuff. So guys, what do you think? The one made out of chemicals that you can hardly pronounce, or canola oil that you can eat on your fried food? I know which one I'll be choosing. There's very little in it, I reckon anyway, so you can't really tell, but this smokes a lot more than this. Like I say, this is actually designed for eating, so what does that tell you? And this wouldn't recommend you to eat it. So anyway, guys, that's my useless information for the day. Like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say g'day if you want in the comments below. Tell me what you use, if you buy the expensive spray, or you just use this, or you might have something else. Anyway, guys, see ya, bye.
Pete'sTools.com